Hello, Bill is back from Elliott Wave, and today we're gonna update the Nasdaq, as you can see. So as promised, the mic is back working. I got my adapter, and I'm well and alive. So unless something bad happens again, I will be resuming with my usual schedule. So today's the Nasdaq. Today is Saturday, the 1st of March. So we're right in March. It's crazy to think about. Time flies. And then I think tomorrow I might do the S&P. Then the S&P and the DAX will follow. And then, as usual, we'll resume to the usual schedule. So I haven't touched account. We're gonna take a look at it, and as you can see here, I was suggesting a flat in B and then down in C. So if you actually watch I think even my last video on the Nasdaq, which at this point might date like 10 days, not 10 years, 10 days ago, I did say that this was a possibility. So let's take a look at a few different accounts I have. Okay, so this I can already tell goes to the bin. This will consider. Okay, perfect. So here what I'm saying is, this was the largest correction we've had from this low, which makes me think it's a 1-2 of the largest degree, and now we're zooming higher. Now, if this is the case, then I would be expecting either, and we're going to investigate it soon. We're on the daily here, as you can see. We're going to investigate it. Either this done, so 1 and 2, okay, and this to just put things in the grand scheme. I mean, just to contextualize. Hope that's a word. I think so. If we take a look at Bitcoin, which I covered yesterday, that would perhaps suggest. Nope. Or is this? Okay, forgot to. Okay, this in place. Okay, we suggest this a 1-2 1-2. Okay, now I talked about this in yesterday's video, so go watch Bitcoin's video for that. But just put all the pieces together, I just wanted to show you. So okay, and we're gonna investigate this later on in the intraday. If it's not this, then what I would indeed expect is, gotta blow my nose, forgive me, sorry, still have a bit of a cough and a bit in my nose, just a lot of sinus. Anyways, this is also possible, which in the grand scheme of things, oh god, I should have just opened another chart. Oh boy. Let me just give me a second. So okay, so here, sorry, that's a good thing about doing it live. I mean, not live, but you guys know me. I'm very busy. And what? This one then. It would. What? I'm very confused. Sorry. Okay, never mind. Just watch a Bitcoin video. Basically, in the Bitcoin video, I'm saying that the top we just had at 110,000 is some sort of a wave 1. Okay. So this would fit this narrative, okay? Once again, we're going to investigate all this move up here in the intraday. So that's done. Other counts, well, either 1-2 done or just further upside into this, okay? So let's you know what? Let's go on straight on the hourly. So here it's possible that either, I mean, as you can see here, so let me do this, let me zoom in a bit. So this, let's all agree on one thing. This is 3, okay? If you see 5, then I think you're either blind or stupid. Now, what you could say though, and I'll give you that, which is one of the accounts here, you could, so, oh god. So this would be a triangle in B of B, okay? Be this A, B, C, okay, Let me zoom in, baby. ABC. Do I need to label it? Let's label it. Okay. So this goes here, okay? Now, allow me to just hide this. Use my brush. This was 3, okay? A, B, C, D, E, maybe here, 4, short 5, okay? However, so you could say this is some sort of wave 4. I mean, look at this wave 5, so short, okay? And it would be pairing up with, for reference, this wave 1, okay? Look at how short, okay? So highly unlikely. Perfect, okay. Back to the hourly. Okay, so this is a possibility, okay? Now, as if you know me, you know that what I like to do is I like to look for equality of. Sorry, as I said, I'm good. I'm doing well, but not 100% recovered for some reason. It's been 2 weeks. Wow. Okay, so equality has been met. We reacted from it. It doesn't mean we have a bottom in place. Now you may ask, Baird, how do we know if I have a bottom in place? Well, you can try to look at, let's say signals, try to gather evidence. But if some of us knew for certainty, they wouldn't be here. Okay, me included, obviously. So you could probably count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you could also count as 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Yeah, it's always a bit nasty, and I don't want to go as lower than the 1 hour. You guys know me, because that's when everyone starts to make mistakes because there's too much noise. Okay, Elliott Wave is all about filtering out noise. So if I can not see them, okay. Anyways, I'm ranting. Sorry. So here, basically, what I'm suggesting is this is not the top. We have one less, and we have another series of 3 and 4s. Okay. So this is a good attempt at an anti-yang, which is very nice because we know this is crap. Volume is only on. Here I have the CFD market. Looks a bit like crap. I know. It's volume. It's always a problem with volume in indices, to be honest. Okay. So we'll also update the top 7 stocks in the Nasdaq soon, so that'll also give us a better idea at what it could be going on. Now, moving on to the next one. It's gonna be a pretty long video, isn't it? Well, hope you guys enjoyed. So this, you know why I have it. Oh crap. No, okay, just one. Okay. So this, okay. Now I'm gonna be honest. This is not my preferred count. Too bullish, okay, but it is kind of right, okay. Here there's many things I don't like. I'm sure I've said them in previous videos. One of them is this wave 4 compared to this wave 2. Look, the proportion just is not right, okay. I mean, it would probably make more sense to do this, okay. Triangle in 4, up in 5, down in 4, okay. But then again, what would fit here? You would have size. Pretty much, it would be the same size. Pretty sure it would be pretty much equal. Yeah, equality. There you go. Perfect equality. So equal in size, not in time. It could make sense, to be honest. Okay, it could make sense. Here, if it would have to hold. Oh no, sorry. What the? Okay, sorry. 3 goes here, 5 goes here, 4 in the making. I don't know. I kind of feel like it's 14. Now, I also talked about how here, talked about in previous videos, it's hard to count 5, whereas it's much easier on the S&P. On the S&P, I can identify 5 on this move here. on the Nasdaq, I kind of need to force it, okay? What else, people? Not much. It's not the best looking count. Could work. So one would go here, two would go here. Probably a sideways 4, I don't know. But not my favorite count. I just, obviously, all I do here is present you counts. So you do whatever you want with them. So let's put this in here. Okay, let's take a look at another one. This suggests quite the top in place, okay? How would you count this? Well, it's a good question. So to be honest, you could count it. What if you count it as a flat here in 4, okay? I never know why. As you know, TradingView likes to move my waves. And then here, you just count it as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5. Now, for reference, you heard me said, if you watch that part of the video, this wave 5 is too short. But that was when we were comparing it to this wave 1, okay? Now we would be comparing it to this wave 1, which is a whole different thing, okay? So it could fit. Obviously this would once again be triangle in 4, okay? Up in 5. Now there would be a pretty, we're gonna take a measurement of wave 5, and this could be just beginning, so some sort of wave A, okay? And here the subdivision will be as the previous count, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So let me put it in here. So and I can call this primary 1 in place. What is this called? Okay, that's a bit misleading. In the making. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's take a look at measurements. So go back to the daily. Let's do the daily. Okay. So wave intermediate 5 seems to be longer than 1, obviously, but not too much. Okay, just a bit longer, which makes sense. Many times, very common target for wave 5s are equality with wave 1s. If you didn't know, so it would kind of fit, you know. Look at this. Sharp 2, sideways 4. Sharp 2, sideways 4. Okay. It would kind of fit. 22 is a very important number. I think I said it. If you were to fill at 22, it'd be a problem. It's about of how 20 is going to react. It could happen that we bounce and then we fall back, and at that point we could just do this. Okay. Ideally, 18 would hold us support for the wave 2 of such degree. But yeah, that's what I expect. Just a bounce of 20. And if we are bullish, we're gonna break through 20. Sorry, bearish. I meant bearish. Okay, so these were the counts I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments or in the Discord. It's absolutely free. Link it down below. Just beware of scammers, as you say. And if you enjoy the content, if you want to see more, stay updated, then I recommend you guys subscribe. It really helps me. And also, if you want to leave a like to the video, it really helps. Thank you for watching, and have a great Saturday and weekend. And I will see you tomorrow.